Hey everyone, we have the one and only one, Jamie here, all the way from Vegas, and she would like to share her experience in terms of her smile makeover with you. Jamie, go
Well,
ahead.
I am just in love with this smile, and this is the person responsible for it, and I wouldn't go to anybody else. Or this is something I'm so happy about.
Thank you. It looks fantastic. Overall, how was your experience from the beginning to the end?
Amazing, just absolute trust in the care of my teeth. And, I used to get nervous when I go to the dentist, and now I just don't even get nervous anymore.
She wants to appointments now. Beautiful. If you want to share something for the future patients that they would like, to have a cosmetic treatment done and sort of rejuvenate their smile, what is your recommendation to them?
I mean, just trust in everything that this man has to say to you. And this clinic is just amazing.
Thank
I
you.
love you.
I love you too. Looks fantastic, and we can't be happier for her.
Yay!
Hey.